Hello, good morning. This is my morning ramble with Ginong White, and thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be speaking in my own language, so get ready. Para sa mga guro dyan sa Pilipinas. So, as you know, kaka-start ko lang ulit ng YouTube broadcast. It's actually recorded. Pero it's been a while since nag-produce ako ng lesson in science. So, ang request ko po sa inyong mga estudyante and even estudyante apart from mga guro dyan sa Pilipinas is to tell me anong content ang gusto ninyong i-record ko in terms of the lesson in Tagalog. So that's one. Number two, para sa mga guro natin dyan sa Pilipinas, I wanted to know kung ano pong klaseng professional development or training ang gusto ninyong i-put out ko as a content this year. So, please let me know kung ano po ang pangangailangan ninyo to grow as an educator, because right now, ang focus ko as an instructional coach or mentor for our teachers is to help them grow into their profession. So, yun din po ang gusto kong accomplish, and that's my goal, is matulungan po kayo dyan sa Pilipinas kung paano po ma-improve ang ating education. I know that there are some changes in terms of behavior or kung paano natin matutulungan ng ating mga estudyante in terms of their behavior or attitude sa school. So, I wonder if that is also something na gusto nyo pong i-put out ko as a content for the teacher side. For the student side, if estudyante ka na laging bumibisita sa aking channel para makapag-aral, anong topic ang gusto ninyong ituro ko dito sa aking channel. So that's my morning ramble for today. Ginong White. Thank you.